But you got to know what's going on. So anyway, there's this helicopter that's not Sundance, and he's not Maverick because he doesn't go all the way around the Mandalay Bay south. No, it's somebody else, and he's captured on body camera footage from Metro, and we see him on multiple videos. We see him on that Dan Bilzerian video. We see him on a few other videos. I mean, so here he is, and he's coming over right before Volley 5.
Sounds like a real gun.
It is a real fucking gun. That is a real gun. Yes, it is.
So at 10:09-ish, who is this helicopter? All right, I'm gonna introduce you to Roman 98. Who is Roman 98? Well, Roman 98 has a European accent, I believe. I could be off. Roman 98 was actually in and out of the Vegas Strip Tour route from about 9 p.m. until he got kicked out around 10:20 p.m. So Roman 98 seems to operate out of North Vegas Airport, VGT. He departs southbound out of VGT, and shortly after departing southbound, he asks Vegas Tower for approval for the Strip Tour. So Roman 98, we don't hear from Roman 98 for a while. So that's right at 10:05. It's about 9 minutes round trip. That would put Roman right in the vicinity of the Route 91 festival at 10:09-ish p.m.
Probably 98, frequency change approved.
All right.
Probably 98, frequency change approved.
All right.
We started 702 Helicopters in 2007. The idea was to bring affordable flight training to people, and then we started moving into tours of the Las Vegas Strip and Red Rock Canyon. We offer our customers an alternative to the run-of-the-mill helicopter tour of the Strip. We treat our guests as guests rather than numbers. It's a lot more private. It's a lot more a boutique style, if you will. We do over 5,000 tours a year with an average of 2 to 3 passengers per tour. We do it from 1,200 feet above the ground. You get to see all of the major Las Vegas attractions. It's really the only way to see Las Vegas. It's really, really beautiful. Resdy's helped us grow. We started out with 2 helicopters. We now have 4. I don't know how we'd do it without Resdy. We do over 5,000 tours a year. 5,000 tours a year.
You